Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be installing this to make your rear end on your E90, E82 a lot better. So, this thing, depending on your year, you might have these holes or not. You might have to drill them, but I have a 135i that's manual. And depending on what type it is, it also depends on the bracket you get, because there's a small one and a big one. As you can see, this one is pretty much for it. Loosen up these two bolts and these top ones. Those top ones right there, you're gonna attach these that come with the kit. So take out these bolts, two bolts, just like that. Two bolts are out. Those same two bolts are gonna be used to hold them in, hold the bracket in actually. See if it's, yeah, it's going in. And now, hopefully, it lines up. If it doesn't, then we're screwed. Looks like it barely lines up. Maybe we can move it a little bit, but I think it lines up somewhat. Alright, so I bolted it up here on the bottom. Top wasn't lining up. Opened the hole a little bit right here and on the subframe. So I don't know why, but this 135i was not fitting, so we did some hole adjusting to the bracket and to the subframe. Alright, so in case you're wondering how to hold down the other side and stop it from spinning while you try to torque it down, get yourself a small extension, a swivel, and a socket, and you can reach the other side through these little holes to hold it down. Other than that, it fit alright, other than the small modification needed, and that's rubbing on the back of the differential a bit too close. But other than that, I drove it around and for sure it removed my wheel hop issue, which I had when I would accelerate pretty hard on something uneven, like an uneven road. Now the only thing about this is that I am getting a lot more, I guess, road noise or differential noise going through the cabin a little bit. It's nothing too crazy, but it is noticeable in some gears or depending on the load. So yeah, just something to think about, but it does for sure help tighten up the back end and for sure gets rid of the wheel hop, at least in my example.